All right, did a little bit of work on the UMAREX NOTOS. I put on the, from eBay, Zen Dem4U, something like that. I have to put it in the video. But you'll see it on eBay. It's a pistol grip that attaches the buttstock to it. So it screws in just like the old one, but it's just 3D printed. It does not have the metal aluminum sleeve. So this will just be an extra part right now. But there it is. I put a bipod on it, put some hand guards on there. Got the weapon light on. No laser on this one, just a weapon light. Pretty cool. Got a nice little scope on it. Clears the, it's high enough where it clears the magazine. Pretty cool though. And I can fit any kind of buttstock on there too. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. Little Notos. The little brother of the Zelos. They're starting to look very similar with the Evolve 3D handguards. Now, last thing I wanted to do was put on some little texture to the handguard. I'm just gonna wrap this around it. A little bit of vet wrap. Gives it a little better feel. Start it. Yeah, the leaves are falling. A lot of work around the yard now. Almost done. You can see the difference. There we go. Adds a little color and more texture. Very nice. Still very small little carbine. Fold in the bipod. Yep. Very cool. Nice little short. Now, of course, I have the scope there, so I have to extend it out. Give me a nice little view, just perfect. I lose nothing in view of this on that scope. So there we go. Notos modified. In appearance, I think it looks good. What do you think, Maggie? Huh, Mago? Come here. Maggie. Mago, come here. Come on, Maggie. Maggie. Come here. Come on, Maggie. Come on. Come here. Maggie, come here. Come on, girl. Come here. You gotta say hi. You don't get in the videos that often. She's scared of the guns. Maggie's doing fine. She's going on 15. What do you think, Maggie? You approve? Huh? Yeah, she likes them. She just doesn't know it yet. All right. Finish off my coffee. Have a great weekend, everyone.